Morning, students. I am Swati, Oxford High School in Mathematics teacher. Now 6th class Maths. Before we recall 5th Maths, first numbers. Students, 5th class already we learn numbers. Once recall 6th. Once recall. Before we learn how many digits are there? 8 digits, 6 digits or 6, 7 digits are there. Now 5th we learn 8 digits, 9 digits and 10 digits. 8 digits, 9 digits, 10 digits. For example, numbers, introduction. Introduction is place value, face value, Indian system and international systems. Place value, face value, Indian system, and international system. These are introduction, numbers in topics, subtopics. What is numbers? For example, numbers. What is number? Numbers are a set of standard sequences of numeral is called numbers. Numbers are a set of standard sequences of numeral is called number. What is number? Numbers are a set of standard sequences of a numeral is called numbers. Numbers అంటే numbers of a set of natural numbers or whole numbers including the set is the standard sequences of a numbers is called numbers. For example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on is a digit or single digit. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is called is a digit or a single digit. 0 to 9 numbers is a digit or single digit. Okay. Numeral means a single digit or a set of group digit is called a numeral. Numeration means a single digit or a single digit or a group of digits digits of a number is called numeral. Okay, girls, boys, first listen. Introduction means subtopics ma. Place value, face value, Indian system and international system. First, we learn what is numbers. Numbers are a set of standard sequences of a number. Is called a number. Numeral is called a number. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is a digits or single digit numbers. Single digit numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is a digit or single digit. What is numeral? Numeral means set of single digit or group of digit of a number is called a numeral. For example, single digit number. These are single digit. Yes or no? Yes. Single digit 1, 2. What are group of digits? 23, 45, 360 and so on. 36, 360 and so on. 2 digits or 3 digits or 4 digits, 5 digits, 6 digits or anyone. Single digits or a group of digits is called numeral. Okay. Next, numerator. Numeration. Numeration means numeration. What is numeration? Single digits or group of digits is called numeral. Writing in this numeral or a digit is called numeration. Writing a numeral. Writing a numeral is called numeration. Okay, first, for example, anyone, single digit 2, writing 2, double digits, we have 36, writing 30, 6. Any example? 3002, 3000, 2. Okay, first repeat again. Numbers. Number, what is number? Numbers are a set of standard sequences of a number is called sequences of a numeral is called number. Numbers are single digits or double digits. Anyone is called numbers. Okay. Numeral means numeral. For example, single digits means only one digit only. That is called single digits or digits. Group of digits. 2 or more group is added to group of digits. For example, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 1 lakh is called group of digit. Okay. Next example, 1, 2 or single digits. Group of digits 23, 45, 360. Okay. Now you understand. Next, numeration. What is numeration? What is numeration? Numeral. Numeral means single digits or group of digits. Numeral means writing a numeral. Writing a numeral in words. In words is called numeration. Okay. Writing a numeral in words is called a numeration. For example, 2. 2. Write in words 2. 36. Write in words 36. 3002. Write in words 3002. And 2 and write it. OR 3000 and 2. Okay. Next. 3002. Next. Are you understand all our students? Number. Recall once again. Number. A number, a set of number in or a set of standard sequences of a numeral is called a number. Okay. Numbers means define number. Numbers are a set of a standard sequence of a numeral is called a number. For example, single digits or group of digits. Single digits means only one. Single digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is a digit or single digits. Okay. Next. Numeral. What is numeral? A single digit. A single digit or a group of digits of a number is called numeral. Single digits or a group of digits are called a numeral. Okay. Next. Numeration. Numeration means writing a numeral in words is called numeration. Okay na? Writing a numeral in words is called a numeration. For example, 2. In writing words 2. TWO 2. 36. Writing words 36. 3002. Writing words 3002. OR 3002. Write anyone. Next. Place value. Place value. Value of the digit of number. For example, place value. The value of the digit value. Digit number. For example, 256. Ones place, tens place, 100 place. For example, 2 in place value is 2 in place value is place value of 2 is 2 into ones, tens, hundreds. 2 in place value is 100. Is represent 200. Next, again 5 in place value is value of place value of 5 is place value of 5 is 5 into place value ones, tens. Which place ma? 10. 5 into 10 is represent 5 tens are 50. Again 6 in place value. Place value of 6 is 6 into represent ma counting from right to left. This place value is ones place. 6 ones are 6 is represent 6. Okay. Place value. The value of the digit of a number. Represent. For example, 256. Count start from right to left or left to right? Right to left. ones place, tens place, hundred place. The place value of 2 is 2 in place value is 100. 2 into which place ma? 100 into 100 is equal to 200. 2 place value is 200. 5 in place value is value of 5 is 5 into which place? 5 into 10. 5 tens are 50. Next again 6 place value is 6 into 1 that equal to 6. This is place value. Again face value. What is differences between place value and face value? Wait. Face value. Face value is itself. For example, you stand here and take mirror. You represent image. Okay, image. Your images are mirror. Okay, face value is itself. Value is itself. For example, three not two. Ones place, tens place, 100 place. 3 in face value. Face value of face value of 3 is 3. 3 is 3. 0 is 0. 2 is 2. Face value is itself only. Okay. What is differences between place value and face value? Place value is the digits of a number. Digit which place means represent of a number is place value. Face value is value itself only. Any given number is the images only. Okay na? There are two systems of a numbers. First we learn numbers. Numbers. First we definition what is your numbers? What is numbers? Numbers. First numbers now. Numbers definition. Numbers are a set of standard sequence of a numeral is called numbers. Over. Next. New digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are called digit. Okay. Next. Numeral. Numeral means a single digits or a group of digits is called numeral. Next, numeration. Numeration. A numeral. Writing a numeral in words is called numeration. Writing a numeral in words is called numeration. Next, place value. The value of the digits of a number. The value of the digits of a number. Examples also given. Okay. Next, face value. Face value. Face value is number itself only. Number itself only. Okay na? Okay na? Already we are learned before. Next, largest numbers. Largest greatest numbers. Largest number or greatest number. The largest four digits is the largest four digit is largest four digits 9,999. The largest four digit is 9,999 inwards. 1 is more than 9,999 is equal to what now? Which number? 1 more than 9,999 is 10,000. 1 is more than 9,999 is 10,000. The smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. The largest 5-digit number is 99,999. The smallest 5-digit number is 'Okay? Okay. Your diary, once recall, define, we read definitions, numbers, numerator, numerations, place value, face value, largest digits or smallest digits. Okay? Thank you.